Forex, stocks, futures, Trademiner 5.0 picks of the week.
Okay, Forex Militia, these are the Trademiner picks of the week, Forex, stocks, and futures. All right, starting out with the Euro CAD, and the review. With the Euro CAD basically bullish. We've got CVX, Chevron, going bearish this week. Actually, not this week, but it's a week ahead, to give us some time to basically possibly look for some setups before this actually happens, and then hopefully we can jump in. And then on natural gas, we have the July contract from July 15th to August 18th. Bearish. It should be falling. Okay, so let's go to the charts and see what that is setting up like. We have the CAD, the Euro CAD, right? And that was bullish, right? It was bullish, right? So we have that from here, right? From the 25th to the 23rd, and this is still bearish. So a bullish call does not fit with what the price action is calling for, but maybe within this week that will change. And then we have the bearish Chevron. Maybe we'll get a pullback, but as you can see, the price action is looking for this to basically fall. Okay, it just hit the 200, so it would have to most likely break through this 200 to really become a real short trade. But on the super trend, it's there. And on nat gas, we have this short, right? And on the super trend, it's there. It is below. The 200 is not on there. Yeah, I don't have that on there. Okay, nope. Okay, so we will have to just guess. So as far as it looks, the super trend is saying that it's going to fall. All right, so maybe we will look for a pullback up into here and then take this short going into the coming week. And so with that, let's go over the review on some of the stocks and the Forex, the stocks and the futures. Okay, on the Kiwi, I did not take that trade. There was no setup for it. So let's look here, and I believe that was a bullish trade. No, it was bearish, but it didn't pull back. It's setting up. It's still setting up. Excuse me, guys. It is still setting up. We haven't actually entered this area just yet, so still setting up. So maybe we'll get a pullback. If not, I will go ahead and take this trade on the 14th. I'll take a partial just to see if it continues to basically fall, but it's oversold, which really doesn't mean a lot, right? Because this can happen, but I'm going to see if there's a pullback, and then I'll take the trade. Not on just there is the blind trade, but I'm going to look for a pullback. Okay. And so we also have United Healthcare, and that one, I looked at it. That one it did go bullish, but it's into a bearish looking situation. Okay, so I would have had to enter on the 7th, like on Thursday, Friday, 7th, 8th, bullish and so I did not take that trade, but I'll be looking for this to basically most likely dip, and then I'll take it bullish. So I'll be looking for that to basically happen. And then we had gold, and I already showed you what gold, okay, gold basically fell. So that would have been a very bad trade to basically get in on. Let's just show you on the chart what that basically looks like. Let's see, gold, there it is, okay, and that fell. Yep. Let me see, what about that over here? Ah, there we go. Okay, so gold, the gold futures, basically it fell. I don't see that coming in over here on the futures. For some reason, it is not, okay, it's not printing for me. That's why that looks like that. But over here on the spot, it's printing for me, and that basically fell off. That fell out of the bed. So okay, what else? HON, Honeywell, and the pound Aussie. The pound Aussie bearish and Honeywell bullish. Okay, now down here, this is still good. The pound Aussie is still going well, right? I'm up 1600, and that's continuing. And on Honeywell, HON, this was a bullish trade. As you can see, it's still falling. So this is not a trade to basically take this time. There's no setup. This would just most likely go into a loss. Okay? And with that, knowledge is power. Be power hungry and power to the people. The closest thing to the Holy Grail is following the smart money. This is Parsival, signing out.